Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today I will show you how you can install Ubuntu 22.04 in your system, or in your, you can just say, in your virtual box or in your physical system. This is the latest OS in Ubuntu flavor, and I have downloaded today, and I will show you how you can install this OS in your system. So I will show you in VirtualBox how you can install, and the same procedure will be implement for your physical machine. Just you need to create bootable pen drive from this ISO, and you can start the installation process. That's it. And let's start the process now. You need to just create new machine, type Ubuntu 20.04. You can choose your name accordingly, and then click next. You can decide your RAM management. I'm giving around 3 GB, and then you can just choose the hard disk. I will go for dynamic, and then I'm increasing the size amount around 20 GB. That will be enough. Create. If you are going to install in your physical system, its requirement is very basic. So you can install in your any kind of what just physical system, not a problem. So I'm just going to start now. Now we need to choose the correct ISO file, click add, and then where is my ISO file? It's here. Open, choose, start. Okay, so there is a kind of option try or install. I don't want to try. I want to install in the graphic mode. So let's do that. Wow, what a sound. Now click to install. You can also click to try if you want to try for kind of 1 hour, 30 minutes or something else. And then choose English, click to continue. And here is the two option. If you go for web and basic utilities, that will not enough for us. So we are going to normal installation. And then as click here to install all graphic, Wi-Fi, networks related drivers as automatically. Then click continue. And asking for erasing disk. Yes, I want to erase completely. Continue. And here you can choose your location. I'm from India. Just clicking to India. And then you can choose your name, admin 001, admin, choose password, and then use active directory. Just we don't want. Just click to continue. Okay, the username you entered admin is reserved for use system admin. Okay, so just you can press continue. Then see installation is It will take hardly 5 minutes. So we are still waiting. Almost finished copying files. Okay, so installation is done now. You can see it's the option for restart. So let's restart. And we also have chosen the ISO file while installation, but we didn't made them permanent, so no problem. And you can see is asking for please enter. Let's press enter. Wow, so you can see user is available for login. Let's enter the password. Then we are able to log in a seconds. Let's yes. Okay, wow. So you can see I have installed Ubuntu in my system very easily in VirtualBox. And if you want to install in physical machine, so I have already provided the information. And if you want to just create bootable pen drive, then you can download any third-party software, or you can if you are using currently in your as a Ubuntu system, so you can just create the bootable pen drive by just disk startup tool, which is pre-installed in your system. And one more thing, I will show you in next video how you can upgrade your current system into Ubuntu 20.0 So that's it for today. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and share. So that's it. Thank you.